Hello and welcome back to the channel. My name is Jake Green, I'm the Head of Technical Engagement here at the Scolmore Group, and in today's video we've got another fantastic installation one for you. We're going to be talking about products from Ovia, which is a spear light. We're also going to be going through the ranges from Click, talking about Aquip 66, and we've also got some fantastic products from the Q-Nect range by the guys at Unicrimp. And if that's not enough for you, we're going to control everything that we do today by Click Smart Plus. So stay tuned, follow me and see what we've got going on. So we've come inside now, we're just trying to establish really where we're going to start to take the power from. Customers requested that we take it from here in the conservatory. So what they would ask us to do is take it out from the outside here, run it all the way around, down to the bottom of the garden, where we're looking at the spear lights from Ovia and all the other fantastic bits. So come and join me in the garden where we can learn a little bit more about the features and benefits of our products. So we started off by installing the Aquip 66 double socket and switch fuse connection units, or housing should we say. Now we've designed it with you guys in mind, so you can fit any of our mode accessories inside either one of those if you choose to do so. This one being a double, this one being a single. Now with the Aquip 66 you can see we've got the nice grey, anthracite grey finish here with a dark lid, but it also does come with a transparent lid. So if you've got some of them appliances that you keep forgetting to switch off outside, it does show the neon straight through there. Not too bright, but just enough so that you know that something's going on. Some of the other features is its polycarbonate construction, high impact resistant. It's also IP66 as we've mentioned there. Multiple switch configurations. Now if you are actually using the range and you're looking at the switches, it will take a mini grid and it will take a Grid Pro module as well. So just be mindful of that. If you're using an outdoor switch for it, then you need to think about that as well. Now it's got multiple gland entry positions. It does come with a variety of them, as we can see on the top here. I've been using the side ones, and we've used the bottom ones for the SWA that's coming into the switch fuse spur. But for now, let's get on with the Q-Nect box and we'll see how we go. So the main purpose of today's video was to install Click Smart Plus for the customer. They're using it for outdoor lighting. Now I've got the switch fuse spur here, and that's what we're going to be putting into this single housing unit here. Now the reason we haven't chose to necessarily use a switch is purely because the customer says, no, I don't need to use a switch. I just want to be able to control it from my phone. I want to set up schedules and timers so that it comes on when the sun goes down and goes off at a certain time. And you can do all of that with Click Smart Plus. If you haven't seen anything to do with Click Smart Plus, check out some of our other videos that we have. So benefits of this, again, as I said, it's 3-year warranty on the product. It also comes with a little pattress. So if you're not using it for this application and you're using it indoors and you need a flex outlets option, then we can do that as well. But I'll get this one all wrapped up and I'll see you on the next part. So we've got the spear light here from Ovia. Now it is a very versatile little light. If you're looking to light up a feature wall within your garden, then it's absolutely perfect for that. But in today's installation, we're going to put it in this flower bed here. Now it does come with plenty of features packed into it. It's 3 and 4K. It's a 23-degree beam angle. It's 50,000 hours of LED. So if you're looking for a long lasting fitting, absolutely perfect for that. It's IP65 and it comes with a 3-year warranty. So let's get this installed. Let's see what it looks like in the ground. So we've got the Q-Nect IP link here. This is great. If you've ever been in a situation where you think, actually, I just need a little connector. I don't need a big box to put all the connections in, but I need something that's going to withstand the test of time. This little inline connector here is great. It comes with a tough nylon body, it's IP68, and it comes with a 5-pole connector inside there. So if you need it for switch wires and you think, don't need that box, but I would need something that's small, compact, and does the job, then this is a connector for you. So let's get it on the wall and see how we get on. So get it all slid on here. Now, if you're much like me and you've got OCD, you need to make sure that the logo runs the right way. So I've done it this way intentionally. So you can see we've got the three terminals here, 3 conductors. And get it in there. Now I always like to choose 1, 2, 3 simply just because I know where I'm at. So let's get that connected in there. Let's choose which one we're going to do it. We're going to do 1 for live. Screw it in. Now, another great little feature about this connector is that it's actually quite long. Sometimes what happens is you have to have your sheath on the cable there quite short. I've got it short here for a reason, but this bit here gives it that ability to have it a little bit longer, so you're not stretching yourself. We've got our second piece of cable now. Probably what is vitally important to mention is make sure that you put this on before you start connecting it. The amount of times that someone, or myself, not that I'd like to admit I'm wrong, has done that. So slide that on. So when you're sealing it all back up, make sure that the connector block itself is actually all the way down. That's going to stop it from moving. I need to change position. So zip that all the way up. Now you can get yourself a set of grips on there, but personally I don't think it's necessary, especially with how easy it is actually to tighten this up. So you can see that we've got the third part going in. It's got a nice red seal on there, ensuring that we maintain that IP68 rating. Let's get that zipped up. And there we have it. So we're just coming on to our second spear light here, and we've got our feed coming in. Now, sometimes you sit there and you think, oh, do we need to make sure that we put in an adaptable box to join all these cables together? We've got one going out that way, we've got the light fit in here, and we've got the other one going out the other way. Actually, we also do it in a T-piece. It's vitally important that we mention that to you so that you know when you're going to your local wholesaler and you're trying to pick some of these products up, this is available as well. So let's get this one installed and let's see how it looks. So I'm just prepping it up here. I'm going to start by trimming this back so I don't need all the excessive length for down there. And then we'll get it all connected up. So again, using the same numbering system, and the numbers are actually labelled on both sides, so you can see the numbers quite clearly stamped in there for you. So you're not there trying to work out what it is you're trying to terminate. So that's one T-piece connector, and as you can see, it's very, very simple. We've got the spear light here, and we've got the 2 cables going in. So we've got our feed in and our feed out going down further to some of the other lights. So I'm going to dress this all in nice, hide it away so that the customer doesn't see it. So we've just finished off the installation part. We've connected the socket up back down here. A few minor bits to tidy up, but we'll do that off camera. The last thing we need to do is set up the ClickSmart Plus app on the phone here. Now the customer already has ClickSmart Plus throughout the house. They have LED strips, they have cameras, they have window and door sensors, so they're familiar with the app. However, they have asked if we can set up an automation scene for them to control their outdoor lights that we've just fitted, so that it comes on at a certain darkness and then goes off at a certain time, say around 11 o'clock at night. And you can have that on daily, or you can have it on just for the weekend. So easy enough to do in the app. If you haven't seen it, or you need some help setting up an automation, follow some of the rest of the content and I'm sure you'll be able to find it on the channel. So from me and everyone at the Scolmore Group, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you on the next one.